Jinyuan A-series bending machine assembly tutorial. Firstly, check the accessories, including bending machine, toolbox, feeding rack column, feeding rack crossbeam, feeding pallet, material blocking shaft, waste materials box, control card, work surface bracket, keyboard holder, USB drive, U-key, air gun bracket, USB extension cable, extended power cord, extended VGA data cable, computer, monitor, keyboard and mouse, monitor bracket, air gun, air compressor. Checking the accessories, then assembly. Assemble the crossbeam of the feeding rack. Assemble feeding bracket. Assemble the pillar of the feeding rack. Adjust the foundation height. Assemble material blocking shaft. Assemble the work surface bracket. Assemble bending table. Assemble the monitor mounting bracket. Assemble the monitor. Assemble keyboard holder. Assemble air gun bracket. Connect the air compressor to the air gun. Assemble control card. After assembly is completed, proceed with the line connection below. Open the rear door. Insert 2 power cords into the reserved sockets and pass them through the corresponding holes. Open the front door of the device and thread the monitor power cable and VGA data cable through the corresponding holes. Connect VGA data cable and power cable. Thread the USB extension cable through the corresponding hole. Fix the interface on the keyboard holder. Thread the keyboard and mouse cables through the corresponding holes. Place the computer on the left side of the chassis. Insert the control card data cable. Insert keyboard and mouse cables. Insert USB extension cable. Insert VGA data cable. Insert the power cord. Insert the U key. Connect the main body power supply. Connect the air pump power supply. Turn on the socket switch. Close the rear door. The line connection is completed, and the waste material box is placed at the waste outlet. Next, turn on the device. Turn on the power switch of the bending machine. Turn on the power supply of the air pump. Turn on the air pump switch. Turn on the emergency stop knob. Turn on the computer. Power on completed. Complete machine assembly completed. Thank you for watching.